I suppose we're competitive to a point where it's not about the fish, it's not about numbers of fish, it's about who can cut each other's grass faster.
Pretty much.
Yeah,
a bit of banter on missed hookups or some little stuff up with the cast or a bit of a tangle. It's more that than I just want the biggest queenfish or whatever.
Yeah, we don't number count on the fish, but we number count on the stuff ups.
We've both done enough fishing and seen enough fishing. We don't, sort of gone a bit beyond that. But the funny little stuff ups and I have to say, that's probably where we bring it for sure to each other.
As one night on a coral sand K, how many Ks offshore were we? A lot.
Yeah, we were a long way from anywhere.
The east side camp was about as remote as you could ever possibly get. You know, steaming not only out but north into the middle of the coral sea to camp up on a small coral atoll with a tiny patch of sand on it. It's daunting and exciting at the same time.
Yeah, well, and that's after a 6-hour drive on a dirt road. As well. Through the rainforest and all sorts of country. So it doesn't really get any more remote at all, that section. That's pretty much why we went there.
Thank you.